Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Spektra Academy course, which is listed as an offer in the Azure Marketplace. So the first thing to do is to go to the Azure portal, and from here, go to Marketplace. You can search for the course that you want to buy. So for this video, I'm going to show you the sample with the AZ900 course. I'm going to purchase this course and show you how it's done. Okay. So this is our course, and you can click on the offer over here and you would reach the overview tab. I would request you to read all the details over here so that you know exactly what you're buying into. So we have three different plans for each course. We have a practice test, we have a hands-on lab, and we have a hands-on lab and a practice test. You can buy either one of these. You can also check the pricing for each of these plans. So the practice test would cost you $20. The hands-on lab would cost you $49, and the hands-on lab and practice test would cost you $59. So you can choose the plan of your choice and then click on set up and subscribe. Once you've done that, you got to enter details about your plan. So you can choose your subscription, your resource group. You can create a new resource group. Let me say AZ900. Okay. You can choose the resource group location, and then you can give a name of your choice. You can give something like AZ900. You can just verify the other details and click on next. You can then give the name for your tags. So you can go ahead and give AZ900 and then go to the next step, which is review plus subscribe. Now in this tab, you can just verify the terms of use, and once you've given it a thorough read, you can just enter further details, which is your email address and your phone number. So my email ID has been already pre-filled. You might have to enter your email address and then your contact number too. You can just verify all your other details which you entered in the previous steps, and then you can click on subscribe once you're ready. So have a look at the notifications window, folks, because if your SaaS subscription is a success, you will be notified over here. So this might take a few minutes, so please hold on. Great. So it says that subscription to AZ900 is done. Configure your SaaS account to complete the process. That's great. So at this point of time, your SaaS subscription is complete and you're just one step away from subscribing to this particular offer. By clicking on configure account now, you would be taken to the next step where your money would be debited and your subscription would be active. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happens. You can click on configure account now to get started. And by clicking on that button, you will be redirected to our SaaSify page. And you will be able to create your account and then make order for how many ever courses you want from this Spektra Academy's SaaSify page. Okay, so you can click on if you want to buy 3 offers or 4 offers or maybe 5 labs. You can choose the number of seats appropriately and click on activate. And remember guys, once you click on activate, your subscription would be active and your money would be debited. Now, since I have already an account on Spektra Academy, I've been logged in straight away. But if you're doing it for the first time, you might be asked to create an account. So you might have to enter your details and then you will be redirected to the previous window. But once you're at this window, you can see your total number of subscriptions that you have. In my case, I have 4 subscriptions. You might be seeing 1 subscription or the number of subscriptions that your account has. So you can go to Spektra Academy, you can go to subscriptions here, and you have all your offer details here. So this is the latest offer which I subscribed to, the Easy 900 course which we just purchased. So the SaaS subscription details are there on this particular details tab, and you can go to the voucher to get the voucher code. You can copy the voucher code here, and this can be used and applied on the Spektra Academy homepage. So do remember, the SaaSify page is just the page where you set up the account and you obtain the voucher code. Okay. You can go to how to activate tab here for further instructions. As the instructions say here, to start the course, you can go to spektraacademy.com. You can click on start learning, and then you can sign in, or you can create a new account if you don't have one. And then you can go to the course, which is AZ 900 Azure Fundamentals. You can select the practice test and click on enroll now. After that, in the checkout page, you can copy the voucher code, which we copied over here. You can just click on copy. It's copied to clipboard. And once you're on this page, you can just enter the voucher code and make the purchase. And once purchased, you can go to dashboard. So remember, you can always come back and read the steps mentioned over here.